Want to rank your YouTube videos faster? In this video, I'll show you the exact keyword research strategy I use to find low competition keywords in 2026.
Are you struggling to get views on your new YouTube channel? Are your high-quality videos getting lost in a sea of big creators? The main reason is that you are targeting the wrong, high-competition keywords. In this exact 5-minute video, I am going to show you a live, 100% free secret trick inside YouTube to find low competition keywords that can rank your small channel instantly. Let's click the search bar and type our main topic. Don't hit enter yet. Watch the magic happen. If I press space and type the letter A, YouTube suggests long-tail phrases like ... in YouTube Analytics. Let's delete A and type B. Look at that, a brilliant phrase pops up. How to find low-competition keywords in YouTube for beginners. These aren't random suggestions. YouTube is showing us these exact phrases because real people are typing them into the search bar right now. These long-tail keywords are your golden ticket because they have much lower competition. Let's click on this exact keyword and look at the results. Notice the top 3 videos, none of them have this exact phrase as their exact title. Some of these videos are actually quite old. This proves there is high demand for this topic, but a lack of fresh, perfectly optimized videos. If you make a video with this exact title today, your video has a massive chance to rank on page 1. Finding the keyword is only half the battle. You must place it correctly. Take this exact low competition keyword and put it at the very beginning of your title. Next, make sure you write it naturally within the first 2 lines of your video description. Finally, add it as your very first tag. Now, to double-check our keyword, let's open vidIQ's Keywords Inspector. I will type our exact phrase here. How to find low-competition keywords in YouTube for beginners and hit enter. Take a look at the data right here. The search volume is green and high, meaning thousands of people are actively searching for this topic every single month.
If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Tube Growth Academy for more YouTube SEO tutorials. Thanks for watching.